Well, you looking for a dessert that doesn't get done in the oven? Gotcha. You looking for a dessert that's lemony? Gotcha. You looking for a dessert that takes 20 minutes to prepare? Yeah, I'm your girl. Come on, come on, come on. Let me show you how we're gonna take Golden Oreos and lemon pudding and mix it into this beautiful Icebox blueberry lemon dessert. Grab your chair, grab your spoon. Come on, come into the kitchen with me. See you there. Hello, hello, and welcome into the kitchen. I am Wendi, your Kitchen Chaos Coordinator, if you're new here. And if you are one of our regulars, hello, welcome back. This afternoon, we're making dessert. We're making a cold dessert, so this is no bake. This will not heat up your oven or your kitchen, anything like that, which heavens knows with this heat index going on, we need a break. So tonight, we are going to make, or actually, it's this afternoon, so that this will be ready for dinner. We are making a no-bake blueberry lemon icebox dessert. So easy. So first things first, I took a package of instant pudding, lemon, and 2 cups of milk. Just mix that together. It's sitting in the fridge. It's getting, jello-y or puddingy, if you will. The second thing is we took a package of Golden Oreos and we smashed them all up, and then we added a stick of butter that had been melted. So that's half a cup of butter melted. Squished all of that down to make a nice layer here for our bottom layer of our 9x13 pan, which, by the way, not necessarily a 9x13, but guess what? It has a nice lid and I'm gonna use it. That's how that works. All right, here we go. Oh, did I say to you not to worry about getting notes out because everything's down below? I always put everything in the description for you, so just check the description. You've got the recipe, you've got the ingredients, the how-to, all the 9 yards. You never have to worry about that. If that's not worth a like, I don't know what is. All right, here we go. So the next thing we want to do is, for this next layer after this, let me set this aside, we want to take a cup of powdered sugar and 1 brick of softened cream cheese. So just 1, and doesn't matter what brand, but this is the brand I used. It's nice and soft. We're going to beat this all together and get it nice and creamy. So here we go. I'll put some nice sound over this. All right, we are done. We've got a very nice creamy mixture there. And now we're gonna fold in our thing of Cool Whip. And I'm just gonna use this spoon, doesn't matter. This has been thawing, so it's not straight out of the freezer Cool Whip. It's thawed Cool Whip. We're just gonna fold this together. This dessert is so light, so fresh, and just makes for a perfect chilled dessert on these hot summer nights. You do want a little something sweet, but not something so sweet that it overpowers everything. And you don't want something hot that you've had to bake. You don't want to turn the oven on. So let's make something the best of both worlds. All right. Okay, so this has been folded nicely, tucked into bed, and now we're going to add it to our bottom layer here. And I always do this backwards for you because I need to set the camera on the other side so you guys can really get a good view, huh? Right, now we're just gonna spread this all out. Nice and even. You know the layer I'm talking about. You get that lovely, lovely cream cheesy layer. All right, this layer's done. We need to get that pudding out. So let me go grab the, I'll wash my hands. Let me grab the pudding out. Be right back. All right, lemon pudding ready to go. We're just gonna layer this on top as well. Awesome. Now that that's done, we have blueberries. Now I have triple washed these myself and laid them out to dry on the countertop this morning just to make sure that there were, and everything's nice and clean. So just make sure you've washed them. And then you're just gonna spread these lovely guys onto the top. Whoops, or spill a few, it's fine. This is about 2 cups worth. Just get you the little regular size pint. You'll be fine. Last step. Look at that. Actually a little blueberry stem there. Haha. Okay, last step, just a little bit of lemon zest. This is it. Y'all, what have we done? Literally, I've been with you for 20 minutes. We may have filmed a couple of other things, but easy peasy. Whoop, 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 whoop. Just a little bit of lemon zest on the top, and we are good to go. That is it. I'm gonna put the cover on this. It's gonna take about 6 hours. Let's give it a good 6 hours to set up. Give it a really good setup, but you can see those lovely layers in there. Delicious. So we'll see you in a little bit when it's time to cut this up and have it for dessert. Yum. We are ready to cut into our lemon blueberry icebox dessert. Yum, yum. What you think, babe?
It's good.
It sure smells good. All right, wish me luck. We'll see if it comes out. Maybe we should take one out of the middle, huh?
Yeah, I'll take that one.
You want one out of the middle? Okay. You can hear those golden Oreos crunching. It's gonna be so good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yum! Thank you so much for joining us in the kitchen today. We made a lovely dessert, lemon icebox with blueberries. So good. So good. The golden, I don't know, can you see this? We've got golden Oreos at the bottom. We've got that lovely layer in the middle with the cream cheese. And then up here is that lemon pudding with the fresh blueberries. Delish. Cannot wait to dig in. How about you, honey bear?
Oh, yeah.
Hubby's ready, and this is his piece. So thanks again. Thanks for your likes, your subscribes. We're at 427, so come on, little train. Keep plugging away. We'll get there. We're almost there to 500. And stay tuned for a Zen moment. We'll see you later. Thanks so much.